Welcome everybody to the first, international workshop on machine learning and computer vision heliophysics. We are extremely happy that you made it to Sofia in this wonderful weather. I hope you have settled fine. We have 3 days of conference. You have received, hey Pierce, you've received your programs. My name is Kamen Kozarev. I'm one of the organizers. Again, I'm very happy to see you. Some practical things. The local organizing committee have tags like this with blue, so if you see them, they're around. If you have any issues, questions, please let them know, or me. On the back of your badges, there's a Wi-Fi password. So any Wi-Fi network that ends in GHMS, you can log on to. You should have sufficient speed on the Wi-Fi. Machine learning is becoming more and more important. It's certainly becoming very important and interesting and exciting in heliophysics. So I think we'll have some fantastic talks over the next 3 days. Let's have a great conference. So without further ado, we will start the first session. And the chairs are Manolis Gourgoulis and Rosica Miteva.
Thank you, Kamen. Can you hear me? Great. My name is Manolis Gourgoulis from the Academy of Athens, and I am delighted to be here in these wonderful settings. As Kamen said, they have done a lot of work to have everything in order and in place, and as you can see. So I'm also looking forward to this meeting for the next 3 days, and I'm sure it's going to be very exciting.